I got a little present. Alright, let's see what's inside. Item 1. My brother, Mbappe. Waka waka. Nice. Second item, you better don't see. And these are my gloves. And these are my book. Travel guide. More gloves. And phone cases, I believe $1 each or $2, I don't remember. Next one, more gloves for gardening and maintain my cars. No clue what is this one. And more gloves. Oh, nice. And we are moving to the most important item of today. It's a bit heavy. Ready? That's the most important item for this year. Ready? That's the biggest moment of this week. My brother Mbappe is gonna win this one. Yes. Let's open. That's the moment. Let's go this way. Uh-oh. This year, my brother is gonna win this. Mbappe. Waka waka, hey, hey, tummy, tummy. It's a bit heavy. I'm gonna bring this to school. Waka waka, hey, hey. I believe the surface is plastic and inside there are sand.